Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock FRP Google Lock in every phone which have MediaTek MT6580. So you need SP Flash tool in the version 5.1728, and also you have to download scatter file MT6580 Android scatter. You can find it and download, open it and choose in this flasher. Now go to Format tab and choose Manual Format Flash. Now in this file you have to find FRP. There we have FRP and liner start address. We need to copy that and paste there, and the partition size also paste in the flasher. Now all we need to do is choose start and just connect phone to the computer with USB cable. Phone should be power off. Done, as you can see. Now let's test if it works. Now we can power on device. As you can see, there is no lock anymore, so everything worked fine. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write below in comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Until the next time.